Welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how you can pin any of your video on top in TikTok app. This tutorial will be step by step, so make sure you follow it carefully. Firstly, we have to open TikTok app, then we have to go on our profile where it shows us already published videos. Among all of these, I will pick this one as example that I wanna be on top of my account when someone is visiting it. You will notice options on right side and you must click one just above the soundtrack, and it's called share icon. Now you can see a lot of options here to make. You can share to your friends, other social media platforms, but what we need is last line. You will find the pin option there and you click that. And boom, now your video is on top of your account. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed in this video, make sure you leave like and hit subscribe button for more tutorials like this.